G'day, I'm Anushka Gous, Miss Teen South Africa 2018, and I'm privileged to be the ambassador for Mud South Africa. During 2018, we will be embarking on new teenage trendy looks. If you are a teenager and you want to learn new skills about makeup, follow myself and Mud South Africa on social media, as we will be sharing new makeup tutorials throughout 2018.
First of all, we will clean her face with the 2-in-1 makeup remover and facial cleanser before we start with the makeup. Okay, then I will use brush 320 and my face primer on the T-line. Okay, then I will use my brush 310 and my red corrector for all the red blemishes on her face. Then we will start with the eyes first with my brush 320 and my cream foundation CB3. Then I will use my Shell loose powder with my powder puff on the eyes. Take out all the lines. The cream foundation makes small lines in the creases. Then I will use my ESPRESSO eyeshadow and my angle brush number 210 for framing of the eyes. Then I will use my 340 brush with my bone as a base color. I'm dabbing, building the product. It's not a sweep motion, it's a dab. Then I will use my 610 brush and my undertone color ORCHID. Then I will use my 320 brush and CONCORD eyeshadow for the corners of the eye. Then I will use my 610 to blend the color in. Then I will use my 810 brush and my ONYX, the black color eyeshadow for the corners of the eyes. Then I'm going back with my 340 brush and luster to highlight under the eyebrow and on the lid of the eyes. Then I will use the matte lashes, the 106. I will only use one lash and cut it in half with the Dio glue. Next up, we will do the volumizing black mascara. Then I will use my 500 fan brush to apply the mascara. Then I will use my 900 liquid liner brush with my cake liner. Then I will use my 350 brush and a little bit of primer and my luster cheek highlighter on the lid of the eye. Doing a wet application makes the color more vibrant on the eyelid. Then the next step is a black eye pencil for inside the eye. Next up, I will use my 350 brush and my black ONYX eyeshadow on the waterline and damp it on. Then we're cleaning up under the eye area before we start with the foundation color, and I'm using CB3 cream foundation. Next up is my shell loose powder to set the cream foundation. Then I will use my brush 700 and my color Berry for the cheeks. Then I will use my 710 brush and my cool mauve color on the apple of her cheeks. Then I will use my 510 fan brush and my luster again to highlight on the cheekbones. Then we end off the look with my brush 310, the lip liner brush, and my Sweet Cheeks color cream for the lips. Using my powder brush and gingerbread to end off the look and bronzer the neck area. Then we end off the look with my 710 brush and my sparkle for her collarbone.